Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make a GCash account in the USA. So first, you open your GCash. You have to download it on your mobile, and then from here, you click on this one right here. And then you just have to click here, the United States. So you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see United States. So if you're a Filipino living abroad, to register with an international SIM card and then access financial services in the Philippines. So you are eligible to create a GCash Overseas account if you are a Filipino citizen who is 18 years old or older. And if you're an owner of valid Philippine government issued ID, and if you're living abroad with GCash Overseas, and if it's available in your country. So an owner of the valid international mobile number, so you must have those to be able to use a GCash Overseas. So here's how you can register for GCash Overseas. So download the application. So you go to Play Store and App Store, and then open your GCash application just like what I've shown you earlier. So select the country of your SIM card and then input the number and then tap on Next. Now from there, you have to enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your mobile number and then just tap on submit. So take note that OTPs will be sent from GCash except for Singapore numbers which will be sent from an XSMS. So you have to input all the information needed and select next. And once you select next, you can set your MPIN and then tap on submit. So here, you can use your MPIN to be able to open your GCash, so you have to remember it and take note of it. So review all your information and then tap on confirm, and then you will be led to a page that prepares you to get your GCash Overseas account fully verified. So you will be sent an SMS regarding the status of your application, and then after registering, get your account fully verified to start using GCash Overseas. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!